In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the Passkey Sign In method from your Gmail or Google account. If you've decided that a passkey is no longer necessary or you simply wish to streamline your login options, this guide will walk you through it step by step. Let's get started. First, open up your Gmail account. Direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. Here, you'll usually find your account icon, whether it's an initial or a photo, depending on your preference settings. Give that icon a click, and you'll see a drop-down menu with a variety of options specific to your account. From this menu, you'll want to select Manage Your Google Account. This action will take you to a more comprehensive settings page where you can access an array of sections within your account to review or modify the related settings and preferences. Once you're on the Google account page, focus on the left-hand side panel. You'll notice it's divided into various categories that you can explore further. In this tutorial, our interest lies in the Security category. Click on it, as this section contains everything related to the safety and security of your account. Now that you're within the security settings, scroll down the page until you reach the section labeled How You Sign In to Google. This is the central hub where all Google's authentication methods are organized for your ease. Here, look for an option that mentions passkeys and security keys. Once you find it, click on it to view the list of passkeys currently associated with your account. In this list, you'll be able to see all the passkeys you've set up. This could include some keys you perhaps don't use anymore or might not even recognize. If there's a particular passkey you wish to remove, select it from this list. Don't worry about making a mistake just yet, nothing is final. To proceed with removing the passkey, look to the right-hand side of your chosen passkey. You should see a small X button. This represents the delete or remove option. Click on this X, and a confirmation window should pop up, asking if you're sure you want to proceed. Finally, to confirm and permanently remove the passkey, click the Remove button. And there you have it. You've successfully removed the Passkey Sign In method from your Google account. It's always a good idea to double-check that the change has been applied as you intended. That wraps up our tutorial. Remember, maintaining your account security is of utmost importance, so remove authentication methods only when you're absolutely certain they're no longer needed. Feel free to explore more of your security settings to make sure everything aligns with your preferences. Thank you for watching, and take care.